In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to take picture on Bereal. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your Bereal app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Bereal account. Now here you can see this option of take your Bereal. Tap on this option. Now you got 2 minutes to take your Bereal picture. You just have to click on this icon that is given at the bottom middle. The interesting feature is that while you click on this button, it will take picture of both your front and back side of the camera. Let me show you. Here I'm clicking on this icon. Now here you can see the merged picture of your front and back side of the camera. In this way you can easily take picture on Bereal. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.